Hey guys, look what literally arrived at my doorstep. And when I say literally, I mean not even 10 minutes ago. And that's Spinnaker's all new, brand new Amalfi. So my commentary is going to be basically my first impressions and what we are seeing together live, so to speak. And from what I've already learned from their press release and website. It is in 46 millimeters and it looks to be about 50 from lug to lug, 15 millimeters tall, and with a 24 millimeter lug width. And the Amalfi is Spinnaker's newest lineup of watches, which is meant to capture the essence of the Amalfi coast on the Mediterranean, a place known for nice nautical routes. So I understand the tie-in with the Amalfi as a diver's watch. It is water resistant to 200 meters. And so while my version is in orange and black, do I think that captures the essence of the Mediterranean? No, not really. I think it captures or reminds me of fall more, which is perfect for right now. But I also know that they have different color options available. They have a teal, a blue, and a black. And I think both blue versions, a teal and a blue, captures the essence of the Mediterranean much more effectively. You know, I think this is a very fun watch. And when I say fun, I don't mean that I'm being polite by calling it fun instead of cheap. Nothing about this watch screams cheap. This is actually very solidly made and nicely finished. Here we're going to see the brushed lugs right there with a nice beveled, polished accents right there. Nice, really nice job by Spinnaker. You know, 46 millimeters is something that is much larger than my sweet spot. So let's check out how this wears on my 6.5 inch wrist. So the bracelet has not even been adjusted yet because, like I said, I've only had it for minutes. Okay, so here it is. No part of the watch extends past my wrist bone, which is how I gauge if a watch is too big for me. This definitely has a nice wrist presence, and the more time I'm spending with this orange and black color combination, I am really liking it. Really nice job by Spinnaker. In fact, one of the first things that I look for in any Spinnaker model is the crystal, because I know that they still use mineral crystals for some of their watches. And if you follow me regularly, you'll know that's really not a big issue because I baby my watches. But I always prefer a sapphire crystal whenever possible. So I am happy to report that Spinnaker chose to use a sapphire crystal for the Amalfi. And there are two layers, it looks like, on the dial. Right underneath where it says Spinnaker is the sunken portion of the dial, nice applied markers. And where they also use two different layers is on the bezel inlay. Spinnaker uses two different aluminum layers. And why do they do that? Well, according to the website, the design cue is meant to be inspired by the Italian flair. Regardless of the reason, I think it's a cool effect to have two different layers and get a better look at it of the bezel inlay. I think that this color combination works really nicely for that. So let's check out the turn action on the bezel. Here we go. Okay, very satisfying. Very little to no play. Nicely crafted again by Spinnaker. There's our signed crown. And let's check out the bracelet. There's the branding on the clasp. Looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 micro adjustment slots. I'm not sure if this has an extension. Let's check that out. If it did, it should be or would be right around here. So, okay, maybe not. Oh, well, there it is. It does have an extension right there. That, along with the micro adjustments, nice job by Spinnaker. Let's see how it closes in place. Okay, it snaps crisply and firmly into place. Nice job. There is their exhibition case back with the movement. Now, Spinnaker doesn't indicate on their website the specific movement. It just says it's an automatic Japanese movement. So my guess, based on my experiences with other Spinnaker models in this price range, it's probably the NH35 automatic movement with their custom rotor and the logo on the rotor. I always thought their rotors were tastefully done. All in all, this is a really solidly made watch here. I am impressed with, I should say, my first impressions is quite nice. It certainly is different, and I am glad that as 46 millimeters, it is definitely wearable to me. The retail price on the Amalfi is $400. And sign up is available right now, and the official sale date for purchase is December 4th. So if we're looking to add Spinnaker's newest model to our collection, I think this Amalfi can be a really nice option for us, either for us or as a nice Christmas present. I think this is a really great first impression. Very solidly made, nice attention to details again with the finishing. So thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you the next time.